Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about one of the most important functions in Google Sheets, which is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is used when you have to search data in columns. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. It helps you find information from a table quickly and automatically. You can think of VLOOKUP like a phone book search. You give it a name, it looks down a list, finds the match, and returns related information from another column. Now let's look at the syntax of VLOOKUP. Equals VLOOKUP, search underscore key, range, index, is underscore sorted. Here, search underscore key is the value you want to search for, range is the table where you want to search, index is the column number from which you want the result, and is underscore sorted tells Google Sheets whether the data is sorted or not. Now we will see an example. We have employee names in column B and their salaries in column C. I want to find the salary of an employee named Alex. So we will write the formula. Equal to VLOOKUP bracket Alex, comma B2 colon C12 comma 2 comma false. Here, Alex is the search key. B2 to C12 is the range that contains names and salaries. We use 2 because the salary is in the second column of our range. We use false because the data is not sorted and we want an exact match. After pressing enter, you can see that we get $50,000. Even though Alex appears more than once, VLOOKUP always returns the first matching result from the top. One important thing to remember is that VLOOKUP always searches from left to right, and it cannot look to the left of the search column. This is how VLOOKUP works in Google Sheets and Excel. It is very useful when working with large data. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.